Former UFC heavyweight champion Cain Velasquez has been sentenced to 5 years in prison following his involvement in a 2022 shooting incident. This case has captured widespread attention, given Velasquez's reputation as one of the greatest fighters in mixed martial arts history. The 42-year-old athlete pleaded no contest to charges of attempted murder, felony assault, and several gun-related offenses in California. The incident stemmed from a high-speed car chase in which Velasquez fired multiple shots at a vehicle carrying 3 people, including 46-year-old Harry Goularte. Reports indicate that Goularte was the intended target, as he was facing serious child molestation allegations involving Velasquez's 4-year-old son. Unfortunately, one of the shots hit another man in the vehicle, injuring him in the arm and torso. The prosecution initially sought a much harsher penalty, pushing for a sentence of 30 years to life. However, the judge handed down a 5-year sentence, taking into account Velasquez's time already served. Since November, he had been under house arrest and had accumulated over 1,200 days of credited time served, significantly reducing the length of his prison term. Velasquez has publicly acknowledged his actions, expressing remorse for endangering innocent lives. In an interview, he stated, "We cannot take the law into our own hands. I know what I did was dangerous, not just for those involved but for others as well. I take full responsibility for my actions and will do whatever it takes to make amends." Despite the legal outcome, Velasquez continues to receive support from the MMA community, with many fighters and fans expressing their belief that his actions were driven by a father's desperate attempt to seek justice. His defense attorney, Renee Hessling, described the ruling as bittersweet, acknowledging that while justice was served, the circumstances were undeniably complex. Before his legal troubles, Cain Velasquez was a dominant force in the UFC, holding the heavyweight title twice and earning victories over legends like Brock Lesnar and Junior Dos Santos. He retired in 2019 after a knockout loss to Francis Ngannou, leaving behind an impressive record of 14 wins and 3 losses. As this case continues to unfold, questions remain about Goularte's upcoming trial on the child molestation charges. The Velasquez family has also filed a separate civil lawsuit against Goularte and his family's business. This story serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of taking justice into one's own hands. While Velasquez's intentions may have been fueled by pain and anger, the legal system has now delivered its own form of justice. The former champion will now serve his time, with the hope of rebuilding his life once he regains his freedom. Stay subscribed for more videos.